Dear makeup enthusiasts, today I have something really exciting to share with you. You guessed it right. We are diving into the world of cosmetics with the closer look at the much talked about Naked 3 Urban Decay brush set. Get ready for a comprehensive review that will leave you eager to add these brushes to your collection. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk packaging. They certainly knows how to create a visual sensation. As I unbox this set, the matte black casing with metallic accents instantly grabs my attention. It's compact and making it perfect for traveling or on the go touch up. Plus, it comes with a convenient mirror, ideal for those quick beauty moments. Wait, don't go anywhere. Watch the video till the end because I will tell you the function of each and every brush. Now let's dive into the real stars of the show. It includes 12 of high quality brushes, especially designed to deliver flawless application and precision. These brushes feature synthetic bristles that are incredibly soft, making them gentle on the skin. Trust me when I say makeup application using these brushes feels like a dream. Let's get specific, shall we? The set includes the essential face brushes like the powder brush, which effortlessly buffs your favorite setting powder onto the skin for a flawless finish. There is also the foundation brush with its dense bristles that blending any liquid or cream foundation seamlessly, ensuring a natural looking complexion. Let's not forget about the eye brushes. The Naked 3 brush set includes a range of brushes tailored to enhance and define your eye makeup. The blending brush effortlessly blends multiple shades together, creating that mesmerizing soft transition. The detail brush is perfect for adding that pop of color on your lower lash line, while the angled brush helps you achieve precise winged eyeliner look. As a makeup lover myself, I can confidently say that these brushes are not only stunning in appearance but also practical in performance. The solid construction ensures durability, while the seamless bristle distribution guarantee a flawless application every time. Whether you are a beginner or a makeup pro, the Naked 3 Urban Decay brush set is a game changer. So, are you ready to up your makeup game? Don't miss out, go and grab it. So, there you have it, the Naked 3 Urban Decay brush set review. I hope this video helped you in making an informed decision about these brushes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting makeup content. And until next time, keep shining.